Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amofa.o, and today we are in Costa Rica. This is my part 2. This is the second hotel I'm in, and I am staying at the Westin Hotel and Resort Golf and Spa Playa Conchal, or Reserva Conchal, whichever one you may call it. And it has been a fantastic stay. Like, it was a lot of money, but it was worth the money. Sometimes you just have to treat yourself, you know what I mean? You just have to go out of the box and actually treat yourself. So that's what I did in this day here. There's so much to do, so much to eat, so many places. It's really big. My place is like an apartment. I'm going to show you. It's huge. I actually feel like, oh wow, only me, this whole space, because even with the kids, this space would have been perfect. It would have been absolutely perfect. So this is the living space. We have a lot of space for clothes over here. Oh, and it has automatic lights. Come on. Okay, Linda. I got a bag for laundry. I would be needing that. So this is the laundry. This is the living room space. We have a sitting area here with a nice backdrop. Nice picture to take here. Coffee bar and your mini bar over here, and glasses over there. In-room dining code if needed, assorted tea. Then we come through here, we have the bedroom. I love the way this is set up. You know, you can still see the living space at the same time. Very nice. Then we come through here, we have the bathroom. The bathroom also has more wardrobe space. The safe is in the bathroom. Extra tissue, and of course we have an ironing board and an iron and even an umbrella. That is actually very smart. I absolutely love this area. I love the lights behind the mirror, things you need, extra towels. I guess this is a blow dryer. Yes, this is a blow dryer. Extra towels through here. Say hi, Mama. Hi. Then we have the toilet. So this is the toilet space over here. It's so much space. I don't know what we're going to be doing in the toilet. Then over here we have the bathroom, more towels again. I love the big shower head, like the rainforest type of thing. And we have a robe. So that is a tour of the room. Lovely. I'm on the ground floor. I don't know why I thought I had an ocean view, but suppose not every time an ocean view. Sometimes we do something different. There we go.
This behind the table is the menu of the room service.
Okay.
You know me, you are right here.
All right.
This is the work and the room service.
Gratis.
For room service, if you have something question or you need a chair, you can call this here.
Okay.
You have a phone next to the bed. If you want to do reservation in the restaurant, call 33.
Okay.
And please don't put your room key next to the cell phone, next to the smartphone and the television, because they do the programmation. And after you remove it all.
Okay.
Something question or anything else you want for you?
No, nothing. Thank you very much. Muchas gracias, Brian.
I hope enjoyed your stay in Westin. Okay?
Thank you.
And
Just
what's your name?
Afoma?
Afoma.
Yes.
Okay, my name
Just
is Brian.
give me 2 seconds. Let me give you something, okay?
Yeah.
So there are a few things you can do if you're in Costa Rica and you wouldn't want to spend so much money on a night here. You can actually get a day pass to the Westin Reserva. I'm gonna put the information in the description box, but when I found that out, I was like, okay, that's a great way for people to, you know, that's a great way for people to have luxury while enjoying this whole place and not spending as much money. So a day pass is definitely worth it because you do get access to the food, the beach, and the pools. And the beach is absolutely, I think this is the best beach I've been to, Playa Conchal. This is the best beach I've been to in Costa Rica. I've been to quite a few. So it was gorgeous to just watch in the night and in the morning. So there's so many restaurants, so many restaurants. I'm gonna literally just look at this sheet of paper to make sure that I say everything. There's the Caracola buffet that has breakfast in the morning.
¿De dónde nos visita?
Nigeria.
Oh, wow, muy bien. Kings.
Then we have the Fiasanella buffet, but however this one is only for Royal Beach Club members only, so it's restricted. So for example, I'm not a beach club member, so I can't go there to eat breakfast. So their breakfast is open from about 6:30 to 11 o'clock each day. And then for lunch, we have the ranchito at the main pool. That's really nice. You can have your food, stay by the beach, stay by the pool, and eat. So you know, it's kind of like a mix of fast food type of things. Then we have Caracola. Then we have the Fiasanella again, which is only for beach club members, which serves lunches also. Then we have the Spirula Trattoria. I hope I pronounced that right. They have excellent, like if you like Italian food, you like pizza, you like all that pasta type of stuff, excellent. Their food is absolutely amazing. So if you like good Italian food, my friend came away, she's the only person I was thinking of when I was eating that food. I was like, she would love it here. The cheese is very fresh. Okay, then besides, I also said that they have pizza, as it's an Italian place. It's the pizzas by the side, and they have all sorts of pizza. It's not the normal Domino's pizza, it's the real, you know, pizza kind of thing. And so for dinner, they have the Fiasanella International is actually open for everybody for dinner, but that's a buffet, so it's a mixture of everything basically that they have in the resort. The manga is the seafood, excellent. I went there for dinner and they actually surprised me by singing happy birthday for me. I didn't expect that because I just mentioned it in passing when I was checking in, but the seafood was good. The ceviche, the octopus, the crab is kiriko. Then we have the Spirula Trattoria, that's the Italian place I mentioned. And then we have La Sabana Steakhouse, which doesn't open on Sundays, and I was here on a Sunday, so that it didn't open, but it's actually good to taste the steak here because their food is very fresh. But anyway, it's not open on Sundays. So most restaurants have their days where they open. They would give you a pamphlet like this when you're coming into the resort so that you know what is open on what day and what activities to do on those days also. The Bar Imperial, that's like the bar with the DJ. It's open every single day. So you have a lot of options to eat from, no matter how long your stay is. You can mix it up because every restaurant has different things. Some things obviously would be in season, but they have a lot to choose from. And they have activities. I love it when a resort gives you activities, because if you decide to stay on the resort and not go anywhere or not do any tours, you have stuff to do. Most days they have 3 things to do in the morning and something to do in the evening. Then they have other stuff like painting classes, pottery, wine tasting, you know, all those other things, and games like Sudoku. There's actually another pool area where you can play pool or snooker, whichever one, you know, different types of activities. So it's a place where you can do a lot of things. They have They have an adult pool, so the pools aren't like really divided. So there's like a big pool towards where I'm staying, and I'm in the building 34. There's a big pool there which kind of extends, so they're different sections, but it's one long flowing pool, and then there's a family pool at the other side. So this is nice because it's strictly for family only, and I guess you need to reserve it, which is really nice. Everybody can just be together and not think about having others on them. I like this. So this whole area is for the family, proving that it could be definitely for adults and definitely for family too, which I thought was very good. So like you can stay with your family there and not have too much activities. There isn't like another resort I've been to with the kids. There's no like slides or swings inside the pool, which is okay because I didn't come with the kids. But they also do have a kids where you can keep your kids, and they have so many activities to do there. They have a mini mart, you can rent a car here. The gym is open 24 hours a day. The golf course is huge. They have a tennis court. They also have a pool for only adults. One thing I want to say is that if you are coming, just know that Sundays is very quiet. So if you want to come, maybe you could arrive on a Sunday or arrive on a Monday and enjoy the entire week. Saturdays are very active. Wednesdays and Saturdays are very active. They have karaoke, which is so much fun. If you want to do some tours, if you want to do some water activities, they have places on site where you can book those. They have a taxi service from here, which I think was kind of expensive because the taxi person that's taking me to the airport charged me $75, and if you want to use Tamarindo shuttle and it's only you two, they will charge you $75. But here when I asked, it was $139. So maybe if you are in a larger group, it would be cost effective to split it. But for me, no, I thought it was a bit too much. I do give this resort like a 10/10 if possible. People are super friendly. The only thing that I might take away 0.5 for is that they didn't have slippers, but they had a large umbrella, and it does rain a lot in Costa Rica. So I'm glad that I was here where I wasn't doing so many activities while it was raining, because I would have been very sad to be hiking and ziplining and tubing and it's raining. But definitely it's a place for singles, married, with kids, old elderly people. I think it has a great mix of things to do here. There is a banquet hall on site. There are like convention centers on site too. So if you would want to have an event here, you could also do that. And there are a lot of animals. Like if you don't like seeing animals, I don't think this is a place for you, because there are a lot of animals. I saw iguanas, monkeys, raccoons, parrots. There's so many animals on site, especially if you go through the golf court. Like if you just rent a golf cart and drive through, you're gonna see so many things, which I thought was amazing. I'm gonna show footage of different places in the resort. So here we have a soccer field or a football field, and we have tennis courts right over there. There are two that I can see. And here is the theater where night events happen, like dancing and singing and presentations and plays. Yeah, so much to do here. Thank you so much for watching the video. Let me know if you have any comments in the comment section. I'm gonna answer everything. I can give you more information. You can follow me on my socials to see different things about Costa Rica and the Westin Inn. And I didn't even realize that the Westin was part of Marriott till I got here. So I've been to 2 Marriott places, very nice Marriott places, this year alone. So let me know if you have any comments in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment down below, and I will see you in my next video. With love from Costa Rica, Playa Conchal.